Severe storms bringing major downpours to the East Coast after ominous clouds gathered throughout the eastern seaboard. Waters rising quickly, flooding roads and stranding cars. In the Maryland, D.C. area, dramatic water rescues. First responders wading through knee-high water, carrying 2 children to safety. Others helping to push this vehicle out of harm's way to dry land in Baltimore. West of the city, fire officials tell NBC News a boy died after floodwaters swept him into a storm drain. The intense rain also causing dangerous flash flooding in New York City.
It came down really, really fast as rain was coming sideways,
causing chaos for many people just trying to get home. Throughout the region, the rain shutting down highways and impacting public transportation. Hitting the subway in Philadelphia and in New York, these riders clinging to gates to avoid the water. Other passengers slogging through water, rushing inside their train stations. Cars and even a tractor trailer stuck on this road in Queens. Another driver spotted sitting on top of his submerged vehicle. The nasty weather also causing ground stops, flight delays, and cancellations at airports across the region.
Down in Florida, the weather forced NASA and SpaceX to postpone the Crew 11 launch to the International Space Station. They called it off just seconds before liftoff. They're going to try again today. Savannah?
All right, Aaron, thank you very much.
All right, Mr. Roker standing by with a little bit more on the impact of those storms, but it looks like conditions have improved in the last few hours.
That's right. We're looking at this heavier rain moving out through New England. The northeast coast has been cleared. We are, though, going to be seeing more of this activity down through the southeast. In fact, we've got the risk of some flash flooding from Wilmington, Charleston, onto Charlotte, Asheville, Columbia. Rainfall rates of up to 2 inches per hour because of all the abundant moisture, instability. Some places could be picking up to 2 to 3 inches of rain or more per hour. Now, the good news is this is that part of that front that brought all this cooler, drier air. Boston, 70 degrees. That's 12 degrees below average. Cleveland, 77. Again, about 5 degrees below average. Wichita at 81. That's 10 degrees cooler than you normally see. And it's a nice start to August. Look at this. Tomorrow, New York City, 81. Charlotte, 78. Little Rock, 78. 86, I should say. But heat indexes of triple digits from Albany, Georgia, Tampa, all the way out to Austin. And as we head into the weekend, beautiful weather. We're talking about low 80s to upper 70s for Detroit, Louisville, New York City will warm up into the mid 80s by the beginning of next week. Low 80s in Atlanta. So, guys, all in all, looking awfully nice as we head into
That does look quite nice. Thanks,
It's giving fall.
Yeah.
We really like it.